Hey everybody, it's Ryan and Amanda coming to you this week with another tech tip. This week, I'm really not sure what we're talking about. We got crock pots. What is all this about, Amanda?
So we just wrapped up our annual fundraiser for the American Heart Association. Every year we do a big pulled pork sale. As you know, you see us running around like crazy people in the office. This year we had our biggest year ever. We made and delivered 298 sandwiches this year.
That's awesome.
So last week was a little crazy around the office. We were working on this, but we have met our goal of $1,500, which is what we were trying to raise for the Heart Association, and we're ready to walk in 2 weeks.
Well, that's cool. So thank everybody that bought a sandwich in our American Heart Association pulled pork fundraiser. We hope you enjoyed it last week. And now to get to the meat and potatoes of this week's tech tip, we're talking about eMeals. So actually Amanda turned me on to eMeals about a month ago, so I'll let her tell us a little bit more about it.
So eMeals, I learned about eMeals through my sister-in-law. She called me and said, I'm using this thing, it's awesome, and I thought she was crazy, but she sent me a couple emails and I checked it out. And basically it is a service that you can pay for monthly, and they will email you every week a list of 7 meals with a shopping list and a detailed instruction set on how to prepare that meal. They have multiple different plans to choose from. They have a paleo plan, they have a slow cooker plan, they have a vegetarian plan, they have a classic plan. Right now we're on the 30-minute meal plan at my house. I think Ryan's on the kid-friendly plan.
I'm on the kid-friendly plan, that's right.
So basically, if any of you find yourselves doing the same thing that Ryan and I found ourselves doing with our spouses, which was sitting at home on Sunday afternoons arguing about what are we going to eat for the next week, and then if you're anything like my husband, arguing about how to make the grocery list, you will really love this app. It's on my phone. I can download it. It has a shopping list broken up just the way my husband likes it by areas of the grocery store. So you're not walking all over the place. And it's really been a lifesaver for us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the first thing I did, I downloaded the app to my phone. You can do that. You can also view it on the website. But every week it emails you the recipes. You can look at it if you want to skip a recipe. You just simply press skip, and it actually takes it out of the shopping list. So when you're at the grocery store and you're checking off each list, it's automatically skip those if you've skipped the meal. We've only used it a month, but I'll tell you the kids love it. I don't think we've had anything yet that they didn't enjoy, and it hasn't given me a redundant entry yet. You've been using it for 6 months and it hasn't.
We have, and occasionally I will just get kind of bored with whatever plan we are on, and I'll just change it, because that's the beauty of it. If you decide that you just don't like the plan that you're on, you can change it at any time. So like I said, we just recently changed to the 30-minute meals. The kids went back to school, sports started, and the classic plan we were on was taking a little bit more time. So we switched to the 30-minute meals, and so far everything's worked out in 30 minutes and we've been happy. So
cool. Well, stay tuned. We'll do a little demo at the end of the tech tip here and show you the eMeals website and how you can learn more. Thanks. Talk to you next time. So as we mentioned, we're logged in now to the eMeals website. That's www.emeals.com. From this home screen here, you can see logged in as me. I can click and look at this week's meal plan. I can see our menu items here, our ingredients, and even our recipes. Being on the kid-friendly plan, we've got things like pork tenderloin and turkey cutlets and easy beef stir-fry. One of the nice things about this, kind of an added benefit, we're eating a lot more fruits and vegetables than we have in the past. So that's an added bonus. And then back to the main page, if I ever wanted to change my plan, I can look at the other meal plans, things like the 30-minute plan, the paleo plan, the low-carb or low-calorie plan, the gluten-free plan. So they have tons of choices to choose from. The nice thing, too, is that it also syncs to your phone. So you have a beautiful app on your phone. The app allows you to make choices to remove whole menu items, to see it. I'll tell you, the way I use it the most, I simply pull up the shopping list on my phone, and as I go through the store, I check off each item as I buy it. So it saves you a ton of time that way as well. So for just a few dollars a month, you can have all your recipes planned for you and add a lot less stress to your week. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out now, and we look forward to seeing you next tech tip. Thanks.